My channel. How's everybody doing today? I feel like I haven't been in front of the camera for a while, so I decided I'm gonna come on camera. So how's everybody doing? I know everybody is under a little stress. We had to deal with the coronavirus, and now we having to deal with all these racial injustices. So we're gonna continue to pray. You know, Mrs Vee gonna give you some encouraging words. Um, Continue to pray. That's all I'm gonna say right now. I'm gonna do a video later talking to you guys to try to motivate you and just let you know where I stand on different things. So even though my channel is about budgeting, I'm still a part of the human race. So every now and then I'll have some human related issues on my channel. They're gonna be positive. I always do my thing, try to do everything I do in a positive way. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. And like my channel says, I like to save money. So I want to share with you a small Walmart haul that I did today, and I used my Fetch rewards. And stay to the end. I'm gonna give you a few tips on how to maximize your points when using the Fetch rewards app. These are little tips and little tricks that I do. So first off, I picked up some ground beef. I didn't know meat had gone up. So I had this little 1 pound thing of ground beef with $4 and something. So I had to get 2 of them. So I got 2 of those. I'm making tacos tonight. And I got some Johnsonville. They were $4.32 each. Yikes. So I picked up some Johnsonville brats, smoked brats, and they were $2.27. I picked up some tomatoes. Remember I said I am making tacos tonight, so they were $2.27. And I picked up some Cascade dish tabs. They were $4.94. I had a coupon for 50 cents also, $4.44. Then I picked up my Clorox Toilet One refills. They were $7.43. So these are items I would have just went to the store and paid for. And I said, no, let me go ahead and use my Fetch rewards. I had accumulated 30-some dollars in Fetch rewards, so I went ahead and used it. So my total came to $28.23, and I redeemed $25 in my Fetch rewards. So essentially, this haul was free because the tax was $2.61. So I paid $3.25 out of pocket, and you know I'm going to scan it to my Fetch rewards. Yes, I'm going to scan it to my Fetch rewards and get more points. So that's what I'm doing. So stay tuned. Let me give you some tips on building your points up with the Fetch Rewards app. First thing to do is to actually download the app and scan your first receipt and use, of course, my code when you download the app. And once you get your referral code, you just share it with family and friends. And you can share it with someone, even if they're not going to use the Fetch Rewards app. You can just get them to download it, use your code, scan a receipt. Even if they don't have a receipt, give them one of your receipts or find a receipt. And so you can get your points. It don't matter if they go in and delete the app after that. Once they scan their receipt and they have used your code, you're going to get the points. So I'm not encouraging it, but I'm just saying. It don't matter if they use the Fetch Rewards app or not. Once they put your code in and scan the receipt, they can you can get your points. So that's the first thing, is to actually download the app and share your referral code. Number 2 is when I'm in the grocery store or just visiting family and friends, I pick up receipts out of the shopping carts. I'll pick it up off the ground if it's if it looks decent. I'm not gonna go in on trash cans or nothing. And I'll ask family and friends for receipts if they're not using their Fetch reward. So gather receipts from other people, because you never know what they purchased that may give you some extra points. That's the second tip, is to pick up extra receipts when you're out and about. And the third thing, I actually do these things. And the third thing that I do is, like, for instance, if they're giving out 500 extra points for buying a Dove product, any Dove product, if I have 3 Dove products, I'm not going to put all 3 of those Dove products on the same transaction. I'm going to split that transaction up. I mean, I may not split it up to 3, but I'm going to at least split it up twice. Because you're going to get them same 500 points whether you have 1 Dove item on your receipt or 3. So why not split it up? They're giving it to you per item. So that's another thing I do. I split my transactions up. So those are my 3 tips for building points on the Fetch Rewards app. I hope this was helpful. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and as you already know, I focus on budget-friendly content. I like to create videos that help you save money, like this one. And this is a budget-friendly channel. We're not cheap over here. We're just managing our money well. I'm gonna coin this phrase that a young lady had on Instagram. You might call me cheap, but you'll never call me broke, baby. Remember that. You might call me cheap, but you'll never call me broke. And Ms. V is on a budget with certain items, but I'm still getting the things I want, because you know I'm helping you to save on the things you need, like that stuff that I just showed you, the ground beef and the tomatoes and the Cascade. I save by using my Fetch Rewards, and so I'm going to use the money that I have to get the things I want. Yes, that's my mission. That's what I'm doing over here on this channel. So that's it. So y'all remember, Black Lives Matter. Yes, they do matter. Video coming soon. I'm talking to you about the movement. I was ignorant. Ignorance is not knowing, so I did some research and really got an understanding of the movement. It's not just what it says, Black Lives Matter, not. So I'll do a whole video on that, and it's going to be positive, that we're not going to tolerate any foolery over here on this channel. I'm going to voice my opinion and share some information that I know about the Black Lives Matter movement and the injustices in this world today. So we got to talk about it, people. We can't be silent. It's time. This is not time to be silent. No, it is not. No, you be silent when you go to the library, but we ain't gonna be silent about these wrongdoings. So that's it. That's it. And right now I insert a clip. Today is Tuesday, June the 9th. Today and tomorrow's the last day that Fetch Rewards is giving. If you share your referral code and someone scans a receipt, you will get 4,000 points up until tomorrow, and they will get 2,000 points. So this is a little special way to help you build your points up faster. So it ends tomorrow. That's why I want to go ahead and get this video up. So that is it. This is Ms. V. I'm going to continue to show you love. Yes, I am. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need, like that dish detergent and ground beef, so you get some of the things you want. Like this new headboard I want for my guest bedroom. So thank you, and have a nice day. Go out and do something nice for someone you don't know. I was going to say someone you don't like, but I want to be real. So I'm going to say someone you don't know, because I'm not there yet. Someone I don't like. Oh, I know I got to work on it. Yes, I'm Christian. Yes, I love Jesus. Yes. He know I need to work on me. He's still working on me. So I'm just going to say, go out and do something nice for someone you don't know. Have a nice day.